So I'm like halfway to my next stop, man. I'm out in the middle of nowhere. This is crazy, dude. This is like this. I asked one of the people over here, and they called it a tree house. And what the hell? I'm in the middle of nowhere right now. Like, there's hardly any cars driving around here. Look at this thing. I think he told me it's a World Heritage Site. I'm not sure though, but wow. That's impressive. It's obviously pretty old and dilapidated, but it's still cool. Look at the size of this tree, dude. It is massive. Man, this thing is creepy. Oh my goodness. What a weird thing. All right, back on the road. Let's go. All right, well, hello from a new city. This is Takachiho. Super excited to check this place out. It's got something really, really cool, apart from all this beauty that I'm gonna go see tomorrow. But let's check out the town itself today. Such an amazing ride over here. It was so twisty and turny the entire way. Oh my God. Like, I didn't go straight for more than like a quarter mile the entire time. So much fun, and Japanese drivers were so polite and courteous and really good drivers. You know, don't fit the normal stereotype that you think of. And holy crap, people will just literally pull over, just get out of your way non-stop, especially the K trucks, like I talked about yesterday, the little work trucks. Those guys know they're going slow as hell. There's a K truck, speaking of. They're going slow as hell, and so they'll just get over and let's share the lane with you. It's so sweet. Wow, it's really fun riding out here. Way fun. This is right up there with Thailand. It's hard for me to say which is better. The one thing that's nice about riding here is you don't have to deal with the fucking crazy ass traffic and stuff because everyone's so respectful. You get to be the crazy one, and it's fun. Also, it's the first time I've seen the sky, like the blue sky, since I've been here, dude. It's been cloudy, overcast the whole time. I'm actually wearing shorts. Yes. I was worried I was gonna get rainy days every day, but no, finally get a glorious day. It feels so nice out. I have a lot of video for my ride too from my chin camera, but that stuff, most of that's gonna have to make it into the vlogs. I might like pull out some clips on the computer to show you guys. It's just too much work editing all that stuff that's separate from my phone. So this is incentive for you guys to go check out my videos whenever I do release them, because you'll see some stuff that's not going to be on Instagram at all, and it's some really cool stuff. I saw some crazy beautiful landscapes today. It was awesome. So much fun riding too, and if you like motorcycling, you'll get a kick out of it too, because it was wild riding, man. It was awesome. All right, pretty big achievement for me. I'm really happy I did this. I am halfway done with my goshuin-cho. And goshuin-cho is a stamp book, and you get it filled out at temples and shrines, and it's a mark of your pilgrimage. And I started this book like 2.5 years ago, and I'm halfway done. Halfway done with it. So I made it to the back page, but then you flip it, and you can do the inside of it as well, because it's like an accordion. But I did it, man. I'm halfway done with my goshuin-cho. It's so awesome. Comically large Picari. Oh yeah. I'll finish this in no time too, baby. So here's the room. It's real small, Japanese style, with the futon, but it does have a pretty killer view. This place is so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys more of it tomorrow. It's like really gorgeous out here. It's so nice. Japan's countryside is so gorgeous. It's awesome.